Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 43 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, asks on his Facebook page almost every day, at least 5 days a week, for you to ask him questions, and he will answer the questions, or his lovely assistant Jacinta, and dispel the myths, the rumors, and just figure out what the glitterknickers are saying. So on this episode, we're talking about in-room movies on the Hub app, distilled water on the ship, hammocks, glitterknickers, what? And the lovely Carnival bed pillows. Question 1. This person wanted to know, why don't they put the in-room movies on the Hub app? So if you've been on a Carnival cruise, I imagine other cruise lines as well, when they give you the listing of the movies, it's the whole cruise. And it just keeps scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. And then you gotta wait till the day that you want to watch that movie. And then you're like, oh, it's 1:30. The movie's on at 1:15. Damn it. So they want to know, can you put the movies in the Hub app so you know what time they're coming on? John said, yeah, that's actually something they're working on, and he's brought it up before, and he thanked this person for bringing it up again so he could remind the bears, book, book, hey, where's the movie listing on the Hub app? This one is a great one. Why doesn't Carnival have distilled water on the ships? There's a lot of CPAP, BiPAP users that have to have this for their machines. But it's a great question. So right now, you have to call the shops ahead of time and get the distilled water, which is not that hard. But I know people personally that actually drink distilled water because it's a nice tasting water. That said, John said, you still have to go through the fun shops. It's 1-800-522-7648. That will actually be in the description below. So if you require distilled water for your CPAP, BiPAP machine, or you just enjoy drinking it, you still have to go to the fun shops, but they are working on getting it on board. This person, they are on the Firenze, and they want to know if they can get a hammock on the Terrazza Cabana. Cabana. I don't know. You tell me. That's an interesting question. I think it's Cabana. But anyway. Can we get a hammock on there? And we've seen them on other boats, and I'm having trouble talking today. Other boats on the balconies. John said in any ship, they've discontinued the hammocks, especially on the balconies, because, well, they're dangerous. You're gonna fall off and you go poof. But in the Serenity deck, and I don't know what's called on the Firenze, they still have them, so they're great. On your balcony, not gonna happen. This one is a really good one. They were unaware of the British terminology for glitterknicker. What does it mean? John said it's not specifically from the UK. It's a word he came up with to describe people that don't really like him that much. We're going to leave it at that. That's what he said. So if you're a glitterknicker, yeah. This person recently sailed on the Freedom, and they loved the bed pillows. They were so fluffy and soft. They're dreamlike. They're like floating little clouds. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. So much we have the pillows at our own home. But this person said they read on a bunch of other different groups that they're not the actual pillows Carnival has on their boats, and they sell fake knockoffs on their website. John said, wrong. They are actually the pillows you get, the Carnival collection, on their website. He said you can go to carnivalhome.com. Again, we'll put that link in the description below. They are great pillows. One tip I will tell you about the pillows, and this is one of our amazing room stewards, room attendants, room whatever the hell you call them these days, you have to fluff them. So he said every day when he goes into every guest rooms, he takes them and he beats them about 4 times on each corner. Literally this motion, and that fluffs them back up. I do it at home and it works. So yeah, get the pillows. They're amazing. Thanks everybody for watching. That was episode 43 of Yakety-Yak. Please take care.